Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Monday the 30th of May. I'm Nigel Croft. In this video we'll be looking at the charts on the silver price. What we'll see is that the price has moved forward more than we expected from our last video. It's gone through some key resistance levels, although you will see that they did cause some consolidation. We're now up to another key resistance on the downtrending 50-day moving average, and really I cannot see it breaking through this level. So here we are on the daily. Sorry, I'll just turn off the cursor, and what you can see is that the silver price up at 17.32 and is right up against the downtrending 50-day moving average. When we last did a video, the market was it was in the second week of May. The market was around here. We were pointing out these resistance levels and the downtrending moving averages, and what you can see is that the resistance levels did hold the market for a day or two. The 20-day, as it tracked down, held the market for 3 days, but all these resistance levels have been overcome, and here we are. We're at the downtrending 20-day. These moving averages remain the key influence on the market. You can see the negative aspect to them on the 20-day across the 200 and the 50-day in a downward direction, all very bearish. The 200-day still slopes down, the 50-day still sloping down. I would say it's very, very difficult for this market to have any further upside progress from the present level with these dominant downtrending moving averages just above the market level. On the RSI, you can see that yes, momentum did build up, but we're starting to roll over. We are still above 50 at 55.65, but it would only take a day or two of consolidation for that to move back below 50. The MACD still is indicative of positive momentum. On the weekly chart, here you can see that the dominant moving average is the red line, which is the 200-week moving average. That has halted the progress to any upside since July 2016, and is only marginally above where we are. That moving average at the moment is at 17.76, so is a dominant influence on the market. We are also below the 20-week and the 50-week, although they are moving upwards, but they will start to roll over. Here the RSI is actually more indicative of negative momentum and is below 50. And the MACD also below 0, and the short term below the longer term, so a slight negative bias to momentum there. So slightly bearish on this weekly chart. On the 4-hour, you can see the steady progress that we had in the market from the lows of the 9th of May. We have got an uptrend in place, and we're back to the support of the rising 24-hour moving average. The 200 still is a medium-term negative influence as it tracks down. If we can hold above it, it'll take a long time to turn, but we've also got the 54-hour moving up as well. On this chart, it's in the uptrend. Perhaps the momentum's been lost on the RSI. That's tracking down. Really, the key level to watch here is this this level 17.10. If we break that, that'll break the pattern of higher lows and break the uptrend. MACD just starting to diverge and roll, so be very careful. Although it's still in an uptrend, there is some warning signs coming out of this 4-hour average, and there's some key levels to watch. On the daily supports and resistance levels, the resistance is at the 50-day 17.46, and then the 200-day 17.6, with support at 16.9 and then second support at the 20-day 16.76. So that's been TA for traders looking at the silver price. I hope you found this video of interest. If you're not a subscriber to TA for traders and this is the first time you've looked at one of my videos, please subscribe. You'll then get email updates when I do new videos, which is virtually on a daily basis. Please remember, these videos are for educational purposes only and are my opinions, and in no way are they meant as an investment recommendation. Thank you.